Now, were you looking after him at this stage?
He was just there.
No, we all came back in a taxi, or in several taxis, to a friend's house.
Go to a friend's house?
The friend actually lives next door to me, and I decided to go home at that point, and I went home and went to bed.
You went home and you went to bed?
This was about 1 o'clock. Nathan stayed out after I'd gone with John.
I understand. What then do you hear, Abby?
I didn't hear them come in the house.
Who's them? You were expecting Nathan.
Well, I was expecting Nathan. The first thing I knew of John, sorry.
It's all right, don't worry. Sorry, what did you want to call him?
It's Fraz. It's his nickname.
What's his nickname?
Fraz.
At some point, Nathan, as I understand it, you make a decision to bring John back to the house.
Yeah.
Right. Why did you do that? He's got a home to go to.
A couple of us went back, another friend and his girlfriend, and we had another drink, and they went off in the taxi.
John had passed out. Where had John passed out?
On the settee.
On the settee. Now, you know John. You could have woken him up.
I tried to wake him.
Well, what did you... Just pause. What did you do to try and wake him?
Shook him. Mm-hmm. Probably give him a slap.
Did you sort of reposition him?
No, he seemed quite comfortable.
I see. When did you become aware that John was in the house?
It was the following morning. I woke up, it was around 11:30. I went to go downstairs to get a drink, and he stopped me. I'd got half dressed, and he said, John's downstairs on the settee.
And you thought, good Lord?
Yes, I thought I'd better put a dressing gown on, which I did. I went into the kitchen to get the drink. I'd opened the door, expecting John to be asleep on the settee, and I was quite surprised that he wasn't still there.
He'd gone?
He'd gone. I checked the front door, which was open. It hadn't been locked, obviously, because he'd left and without a key. I went into the kitchen after that, not thinking anything of it, just thinking, oh, he's got up early, he's gone. I had a drink. I went to sit down on the settee, and that's when I realised that he'd weed on it. My hand was drenched.
Just pause.
And then the smell came.
He'd
urinated on it.
You sat down on the settee?
Nearly. I sort of put my hand down first. Just the way I went to sit down. Luckily, I'd felt it before I actually sat.
Did it smell at all?
There was a slight smell. It wasn't that bad at that time.
For more Judge Rinder cases, click here. And if you've got a legal issue yourself, get in touch with us by clicking over here.